Hello, everybody. I am back once again with another dumpster diving haul to share with you today. I forgot to say welcome back to my channel, so welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Not a huge haul here today, but still some fun things. And a tiny little story if you saw or even didn't see my community post from a few days ago about some candy canes. So we'll start right over here on this side. And this is an interesting find. This came from the pharmacy, and as you can see, it's just a big bag. And this is filled with brand new extension cords. That's all it is just various types of extension cords. The thing about these, though, is their packaging, they look really old to me. This packaging almost looks like it's from the early 2000s. I don't think they would keep things that long, but it just looks old. I'm assuming that the extension cords are still just fine and work perfectly. So all sorts of lengths and colors and sizes, just a bag filled with them. I'm going to keep a few of them. I actually needed one the other day and I didn't have one. I only have those giant orange ones that you keep in the garage. So I'm going to keep a few of these and then donate the rest because what can I do with that many extension cords? I have no idea. There's also, it looks like a few power strips in here as well, so that's a great find. So that was from the pharmacy, a little bit different than what I usually find there, but still a pretty cool find. Down here is brand new, still sealed. This is actually really big, 135 square feet, nice and thick, wrapping paper, and it's a really cute little plaid, traditional Christmas. So I'm going to keep that until next year and wrap some presents in it. I think this is only my second wrapping paper this year. I don't need, tons of wrapping paper, so that's fine. I will be fine if that's all I get. All right here. If you saw my video from a few days ago, you saw that cute little blue nightstand. If you haven't, go check that out. However, it was missing a leg. Well, it was missing two legs, but I only took one of the ones that was missing. But I went back and I found the other one, just tucked in the corner of the dumpster, sitting on the bottom, and I managed to grab it. So that was a great find. It was the only thing that I found from that dumpster when I went back, but that's what I was looking for specifically. So that was happy for me. Back here, also from a different pharmacy location, is a holiday pet hut. And I'm not sure why this was thrown away because I know that this store is still doing, oh, look at the little star, 90% off at the moment. This is from the 3-letter pharmacy. So this would only have been $2.99, but it's a giant fluffy little Christmas tree that a small animal can go in. I actually gave one of these to my mom's cat, my parents' cat, a few years ago now. And he absolutely loves it. It's not a tree, it's just a little hut. He goes in it all the time, so I'm going to keep this and give it to them next holiday season as his Christmas gift. I like to give the cat presents, so that's cute. Next to that, I have, this is actually a great find because in the winter the air is dry, we get sick, our noses are stuffed, which I've been having for a while here now. So this is a humidifier, not a dehumidifier, it's a humidifier. I'm not sure if they did this on purpose or if that's how the person opened the box, but the brand is Bonico, I'm assuming is how you say it. It's an ultrasonic humidifier, and this was returned. It says used, poor quality, dirty. So it was used and it is dirty. I think by poor quality they just meant that it wasn't sellable. I don't think they actually tested the quality of the air filter. But as you can see, the person didn't clean it before they returned it. So that'll be nice and easy to fix up. Just clean it out, put some water in it, get it going. Has the filter, the pump, the filter, the cord. Yeah, I think we should be good to go with that. I'm excited about that because my mom was actually saying that I needed to, she was going to get me a humidifier, and I was like, no, I'll find one. So I did. There's that. This came from the bed and bath store. Moving along, these actually came in the same dumpster as the extension cords over here. So this is just some water. It's made by Gatorade, but it's Propel brand. Purified water with electrolytes. There was some more water in there, water bottles like this, but they were at the very bottom, and it was one of the big dumpsters, and it would have been really hard to grab with my grabber, and it just wasn't worth the hassle for. So unfortunately I had to leave those, but I took these two, so those are a good find. Next to that, I have 3 lanterns actually. These 2 silver ones came from a dollar-esque store, not the dollar store, but it has dollar in the name. Oh yeah, you can see it right. Well, no, but you can probably tell by the price tag. These were $10. The glass is broken out on everything except for the front pane on both of them. And I took these for, I think I want to save them for Christmas next year because if you saw one of my recent hauls again, I found that tree skirt, and these match that perfectly, and they match. It's nice to have 2 from a matching set. So I think I can decorate those with those pretty nicely if I'm able to find a spot to keep them through next Christmas. And then next to that, I have another lantern. This came from a different fancy home decor store, and this one actually has a candle holder in it. I thought it was originally this plaid, but that's just a protective cover on it. I wish it was the plaid, though. I think that's super cute. But this is very distressed wood, raw, natural. The only thing is it's missing, I'm assuming, what was a little handle on the top. I can put something else there. That's not a big deal. I'll find something. So that's good. The candle holder is not broken. I'll have to open that up and see what it actually looks like. Probably just clear glass. Here's a cute little tree, very glittery. My mom actually purchased a few of these from the store earlier in the season. But this one they did rip, and I'm pretty sure it was on purpose, but that's okay. It's an easy fix. They have the rod right there. I'll just stick it back in the hole, put some toothpicks and some glue, and we will be good to go on this adorable, very glittery little winter evergreen tree. That, is there a tag? No, that came from a home decor store as well. Here as well from this store, I'm not sure originally why these were thrown out. They were $20 brand new in plastic, and there was actually even more of them, but they were under heavy wood, so I couldn't grab the rest of them. However, in the plastic it had gotten wet because they were at the very bottom of the dumpster, so the green kind of started to leach onto their tags and everything, and the ribbons, which I don't think were originally green, but now they are. That's fine. And they're still a little bit wet and not sturdy. Like, these will come off very easily at the moment. Well, not too easily. I guess the ones that were easy came off already. So these are just little boxwood wreaths, nice and tiny. I got 4 of them, but like I said, there was probably 5 more that I wasn't able to grab. So those are great for decor in the spring, even winters. So great all year find right there. And then I have this little LED flip car. It has cool designs on each side. I know it says 8+, but I don't think there's anything too crazy about this. So I'm going to include this in the gift that I give my cousin, who is 3. It says it's remote control. So, you know, something Dad can do with him. That's a fun little find. And then the last part of the haul is right here. These are candy canes. I'll show you them first. I have stacks of these frozen ones. That's most of them. Those are blue raspberry flavor. And then I have this one little stack of Trolls. These are strawberry, and these ones come with 4 stickers as well. I have only one of the Mickey Mouse Disney kind that is cherry flavored. And then a smaller stack right here of the Paw Patrol blue raspberry flavored with 4 stickers as well. So if you saw my community post or not, I was at the dollar store. That's where these were from. And their dumpster was absolutely full to the brim with cases of candy canes, unopened cases, as well as everything they had in the store, candy cane wise, thrown into the dumpster. They also had like the little mini gingerbread houses in there, a few chocolates, some of the ring pops that looked like Christmas lights, just all sorts of Christmas candy in the dumpster. And I could see it as I drove by, but they were getting a delivery at the moment. But I decided to risk it because their dumpster is facing the opposite way. There's a gate, not a gate, a little cement wall behind it. and a big truck that was blocking the way. So it's pretty far from the door. I thought I would be fine. I was just feeling a little bold. I wasn't going to stick around for too long, and I didn't. I was actually almost about to get in my car, and this employee comes up, and she goes, "You don't have any right to be stealing my merchandise." And I told her, I was like, "I'm sorry, it's not illegal though. It's not stealing. It's not illegal." And she goes, "Well, I'm gonna, if you do this, I'm gonna get your license plate and get you ticketed." And I was like, "Well, it's actually not illegal. I've spoken with the police about it. I have a scavenging license. It's not illegal. You can't do anything, to get me ticketed." And she's like, "Well, I could see she was kind of dumbfounded at that point because she thought she could scare me away, which originally she probably would have been able to, but I was feeling bold that day. So then she says, "Well, you just need to leave." And she looked in my car, and I had that big black bag from my mystery bag video, and I had filled it with all the food that I had found, and I was on my way to donate it, actually, like, en route to bring it to a family to donate. And she goes, "I think you have enough." And I was like, oh my goodness, this woman is not my type of woman. So obviously I just got in my car and left. This is what I managed to grab before the little altercation. Just these individual ones. I didn't grab any of the cases because she came and there was a lot. So hopefully somebody else managed to grab them. But the date on these, all of them, isn't until May 2021. So I'm hoping to keep these until next year, Christmas actually, and give them out then. So that's pretty much it. Nothing. Ooh, I'm stepping on things. All right, we're fine. Not a bad haul. Can't complain. Everything was free. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.